Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable or get face tracking on Roblox. So first of all you have to open roblox.com on your phone. Once you open the Roblox app, click on three dot, go to in privacy, or first of all go to setting and where you find privacy. In privacy you have to scroll down, and yeah, here you have to enable the second permission, which is use camera to animate your avatar with your movements. So enable it, you tap on it to enable it, tap on it and click on tap on enable. Once you enable, so uh, it says that green dot shows indicates Roblox is using a camera. So if green dot is in the face cam, then it says that your Roblox is using camera, and it means you can use face tracking option in the game. So just come out of the setting and open any. Right now I'm mirroring my mobile screen on my PC, so don't worry, I'm doing on my mobile. So just open any game. So Please Donate is one of the game that supports face tracking, so you can check whether the face tracking is working or not. Then you can play this then you can try face tracking on other game, but it's better to try with the Please Donate because it's a very simple and very classified game. So you just need to open it. Now once you open it, let me yeah, this is the game, and let me improve the quality. So I just and I so I have to adjust better. So once you're in the game, you just need to tap on this video icon. As you can see, this video icon at the avatar's head. You can see that. Just tap on it to enable. And once you enable, now just I have to change my head because right now, as you can see, I am moving my head and it's moving, but I have to change my head because it's not giving a right feeling. So let's change it. Now, once you're in the game, guys, again, I have to tap on this video icon to get face tracking. And let me zoom out. And as you can see, this is how it looks if I'm moving my head. As you can see, it's moving perfectly, finely. And what can I say that? And let me move my face cam next to it, and this guy is disturbing me, so I have to move somewhere else. Now as you can see, if I'm moving my hand, it's moving. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.